Hello, we are the AAC Group. My name is Nomin. I will be the first one to present. So, the context of presentation would be introduction to our chosen company and market, our market position and market analysis, financial report, and in the end, there would be a conclusion. So let's give you a brief introduction about our company. We choose AirLiquide. AirLiquide is a multinational company that supplies industrial gases and services to various industries, including healthcare, chemicals, energy, manufacturing, and electronics. The company is founded in 1902 in France. The headquarters is also in Paris, in France. It has grown to become one of the world's largest suppliers of industrial gases such as oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. The company also operates in over 80 countries and employs tens of thousands of people worldwide. The company is known for its innovative solutions and commitment to sustainability, aiming to provide essential gases and services while minimizing environmental impact. Let's now move to our position in the market. AirLiquide holds a prominent position in the global industrial gases market. There's some key points that I will tell you. For example, global presence. AirLiquide is, as I told in the previous slides, is one of the largest industrial gas companies globally. So its extensive presence allows it to serve a wide range of industries and customers worldwide. The company also often recognized as one of the leading players in the industrial gases industry. So they often have a market. They often chosen as a market leader. For diverse portfolio, the company offers of industrial gases including oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, and specialty gases. For innovation and technology, AirLiquide invest significantly in research and development to drive innovation and technological advancements in gas production and application. So, in other words, AirLiquide's strong market position is attributed to its global reach, diverse portfolio, and also focus on innovation and sustainability and effective customer relationships. The motto of our company would be as you can see, I pointed out the most important 5 things: the innovation, because the AirLiquide, the company prioritized the innovation in its products, services, and processes to meet the evolving needs of its customers and address global challenges. And the second one, sustainability. The company is committed to sustainability and strives to minimize its environmental impact across its operations. This commitment includes reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improving energy efficiency, and promoting renewable energy sources. And of course, most importantly, safety is a core value for the AirLiquide, as would the other companies would too. And the company also places a strong emphasis on ensuring the health and well-being of its employees, customers, and communities. The company also provides comprehensive training and resources to promote a culture of safety and risk awareness. One of the most biggest thing the company needs and company has to achieve is customer satisfaction. The AirLiquide is dedicated to meeting and exceeding customer expectations by delivering high-quality products and services, and also company collaborates closely with customers to understand their specific needs and provide tailored solutions. The last one is the societal impact. The beyond business success, AirLiquide seeks to make a positive societal impact by contributing to progress of industry and society. This includes supporting initiatives related to healthcare, energy transition, environmental protection, and education. Also, the company engages with the stakeholders, partners, and communities to address societal challenges and promote the sustainable development. So let's move on to our market analysis. We have a three, as you can see on the slide, we have a SWOT, a PESTEL, and main players. I know everyone knows, but just to remind you, the SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And it's a technique for evaluating these four aspects of business strengths. We have a global presence, and AirLiquide has a widespread global presence, allowing to access diverse markets and customer segments. The company also offers a wide range of industrial gases and related services, catering to various industries for diverse portfolio. For innovation, AirLiquide invests in research, development, driving innovation, and technological advancements. Also, one of their biggest strengths would be strong financial performance because the company always maintains a solid financial position, enabling to fund investments and pursue growth opportunities. Now, the weaknesses is their dependence on the industrial sector. AirLiquide's business is heavily reliant on the performance of industrial sectors, exposing it to economic downturns. And the regulatory compliance with diverse regulations and standards across different regions can be challenging for the company. High fixed costs operating a global infrastructure incurs significant fixed costs, which may impact profitability during downturns. Now, opportunities would be sustainable solutions. Emerging markets, expansion into emerging markets offers growth opportunities due to increasing urbanization. Technological advantages, of course. And for the threat, the intense competition from other major industry gas companies or potential new entrants. Economic uncertainty, regulatory risks, changes in regulations related to environmental standards, safety, or energy policies.
Hello everybody, my name is Pomo Kaza. Today I want to talk about something called PESTEL analysis. It's a tool we use to look at some big picture factors that can affect our business, which is called AirLiquide. PESTEL stands for political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. It helps us make sense of the world we work in. So, start with political factors. In the political arena, we keep a close eye on what governments are doing with their laws and how they handle trade between countries. We also pay attention to whether things are stable in the places we do business. We need to understand this is so we can think about how any changes the government makes could push us to change our business plan. Economic factors. Moving on to the economy, we dig into how it's currently doing, what's popular in the market, and if the areas where we sell our products are financially strong or not. This helps us predict if there's going to be a bigger or smaller demand for what we sell, which means we can plan better and change our approach if we need to. Social factors. We also look at changes in society. This means thinking about how people are living their lives, what they need, and what they are concerned about, especially when it comes to health and being safe. Understanding these social clues help us figure out what the market might need in the future and help us make sure we are meeting our customers' expectations. So, let's go to the next slide. Technological factors. Technology is a big deal in the industry today. It can completely change how things work. By understanding and using the latest tech trends, we can come up with new and exciting ideas, make our products even better, and make our company run more smoothly. Environmental factors. We take our impact on the environment very seriously. We closely follow environmental laws and try to do things that are good for the planet. This is not just important to us, it's also something that the people and other businesses we work with care a lot about. Legal factors. Last but not least, we have to make sure we are following all the legal rules. This includes obeying the laws about how businesses should run and making sure no one else can steal our unique product ideas. So let's talk about the next slide about main players. Although there are other prominent fixtures in the gas industry, Linde is without the main component player of AirLiquide. Both are two of the largest industrial gas companies in the world, with attractive industry dynamics, high profit margins, and excellent returns on capital. After its merger with Praxair, Linde became the largest industrial gas company in the world by revenue surpassing AirLiquide. It is clear that both companies are growing sales at a similar rate, and that growth has accelerated recently, like you can see. So let's go to the next slide. Recap of AirLiquide 2022. 2022 was a year of strong performances and strategic advancement for AirLiquide, characterized by growth in the revenue and profitability, significant investment and sustainable development. Initiatives and enhancements to governance and leadership structures. Then here are some bullet points about the recap of 2022. Operational highlights. Services business grew up by plus 6.1% on a comparable basis. All geographies and business lines showed significant growth, particularly in the Americas and Asia Pacific. Engineering and construction revenue increased by plus 20.6%. Global markets technologies revenue grew by plus 25.8%. Efficiency measures amounted to 378 million, saving 2.2% of the cost base. Then we are going to my last slide. Now, as we look to 2023, we are really excited about what we have got in the works. Our strategic plan, called Advance, is big on cutting carbon emissions and moving towards cleaner energy sources. Our investment in things like hydrogen, which is way better for the environment, show that we are not just talking the talk about a greener future, we are walking the walk too. Thanks for your attention. Now we are going to the next slide.
Allow me to present a brief summary of the balance sheet for our company. Unfortunately, due to the limited time frame, I am unable to provide a comparison with the previous year balance sheet. But let's begin our analysis with a short look at our assets. We have a diverse range of assets totaling around about 31 billion euros, reflecting the strength and diversity of our company's holding. Our non-current assets stand at 14 billion and our current assets at 70 billion euros. This year, we achieved a major milestone by investing in a new warehouse. This investment is aimed at improving how we manage our inventory and speeding up how quickly we can fulfill customer orders. Our goal was to increase sales by making sure we have enough products in stock and by making order processing more efficient. Our balance sheet showcases a healthy mix of assets, indicating our ability to generate value and maintain financial stability. Shareholder equity totals of 14.6 billion just reflects perfectly the confidence of our investor in our company growth prospect and financial health. Also, we handle our liabilities with care, ensuring that we will fulfill our financial commitments while preserving flexibility and liquidity. In conclusion, our balance sheet portrays a robust financial position characterized by prudent management of assets and liabilities, and a commitment to deliver sustainable value to our stakeholders. With this, I will pass on to my esteemed colleague.
Here we have our income statement. This year we generated 25 billion in sales revenue. This figure represents the total income generated from our core business operations, mainly selling gases and services across various industries. The cost of goods sold amounted to 8.5 billion and shows our costs relating to manufacturing gases, raw materials, and labor and production costs. Then we have our operating expenses that are essential for our day-to-day operations. Our profit before tax is around 14 billion, and after the corporate income tax of 3.33%, we have a net income of close to 14 billion euros.
Conclusion. AirLiquide is not just a player in the industry, it's a trailblazer that is not only focused on growing within current markets, but also on seeking out new frontiers. The company stands as a beacon of innovation, sustainability, and global leadership in the industrial gas industry. Throughout its diverse portfolio of products and services, the company has constantly demonstrated resilience and growth even in challenging economic climates. With a steadfast commitment to sustainability, AirLiquide continues to invest in green technologies, renewable energy, and initiatives to reduce carbon emissions, aligning its strategies with global efforts towards a greener future. With that in mind, we report to you that AirLiquide will have revenue amounting to 25 million and a net income of 30.804 and 50 million in the year 2003, which will be higher compared to 2022.